There's so much amazing professional development going on for elementary music educators that I have to bring on another one that's happening right now and will again happen tomorrow, and it's completely online. And this is, of course, Music Play Online, and this is a music play workshop and sing, dance, and play. And you have Artie, John, and Denise's daughter, Sracy. I did catch the replays because I am registered. As you can see, you can do this today and it's tomorrow, but they do record it and you can find it in your registration that you can just access it online. When you do, there's so much wonderful things that are going on, especially with those presenters, and there's more presenters besides just them. This is what they did today, as you can see, and then tomorrow, oh my goodness, there's even more wonderful presenters and wonderful sessions. Look at this that's going on. You can go, this is absolutely free, go ahead and register and catch the replays, or go online tomorrow. A lot of these are Zoom calls and they only can take the first 1,000 who can get on the Zoom call, but don't worry, it's on YouTube going live simultaneously. So I was catching most of these at the end of the day due to family commitments, but this was looking fabulous. I was loving it. It was showing student examples. It was showing Music Play Online materials. It was fabulous, and just a beautiful tribute as well to Denise. So do check this one out. Again, you can just Google it, but you can find Music Play workshops. Register and go online tomorrow live, or see the recording afterwards and get some more wonderful professional development, great ideas, especially those who are heading back to school in the next few weeks. And I hope to see you this Sunday. I drop a new play along video, so I hope to catch you soon on that. And I hope that you're having a great break if you're on break, or a holiday if you're on holiday, or you're having a good school year if you're in a school year.